Thank you.
You are kidding
I really
me.
appreciate that.
Thank you.
So I'm at the Fallsview Casino Resort. This resort is built on a cliff overlooking the world famous Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side. This complex is incredible. There's a massive casino floor. There's the 5,000 seat OLG stage that hosts so much entertainment, dozens of shops, tons of restaurants, and I'm here to participate in the 2025 Fallsview Food and Drink Fest. Of the Fallsview Food and Drink Fest. This is the Celebrity Chef Dine-A-Bout. I'm going to be at an action station along with a lot of your favorite celebrity chefs, and sometimes recipes come into your life, and for me, I can't get enough of them. I get obsessed, and that's been the idea lately with vodka sauce. So I'm making a Calabrian chili shrimp vodka sauce with some spaghettini noodles, a little dusting of Parmesan cheese. Go. What's an elevator? Bistro, wine bar, and we're best friends. That's cool. That's pretty sweet. That's pretty sweet. The first time I ever came to Niagara Falls was for the Fallsview Food and Drink Fest last year, and I got invited back again. That was so exciting to get that call. But usually when I'm here, I'm so busy that I never go out and to go see the sights. And I don't want to admit this, but last year, I never went and saw the falls. I mean, you can see them from the room, but I never went and saw them. So I think I gotta hit the streets a little bit, walk around, check out the falls, and at night, they light them up like a Christmas tree. How beautiful is that? Table Rock, which way do we go to the? They're right there. Like you can get right up to them. Sweet. This is it. Let's do this. Whoa! Oh my God. It's awfully wet. Is that from the falls? Wow. Wow. This is really cool. You almost get vertigo when you're standing over the falls. You're like, oh, 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 oh. Then I think about where do they sell the barrels? Going down. I'm not, but it's pretty cool. It's just crazy. It just makes you think of how small we really are. You know? The awesomeness of it is really cool and really inspiring. It's just, this is the time you use the word awesome. Awesome power. Wow. Whoa! The sound is crazy. So much water. You always hear about a place like this, about Niagara Falls, and you're like, it's one of the great wonders of the world. And then you come here and you're like, oh yeah, I get it. Fully get it. All right, so it's day 2 of the Fallsview Food and Drink Fest. Friday night was amazing. We were really busy. Great turnout. Everybody loved it. It's very early, so it's like just before 8 o'clock in the morning. Day 2 paired with the egg farmers of Ontario, and I'm doing like a bacon and eggs dish. It's topsy-turvy. It's like the best parts of brunch. You know how sometimes your waffle might go into the egg yolk and into the syrup and into the bacon, and you're like, I'm kind of okay with that? That feeling, that memory is this dish in 2 bites. I'm super excited. Look at how much bacon I have to cook. It's for 1,000 people. Let's do it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's do it. It's brunch in your face. So this is a brioche toast that's soaked in maple syrup and butter. And then the scrambled eggs is a bacon custard with an egg yolk caramel, so it looks like runny eggs. Bacon, chives, Malden salt. It's super delicious, super crispy, and really, really fun. There's a lot going on.
Yum.
The outside's like really glassy, but then fudgy in the middle, and then that little sauce makes it look like runny egg, which I think is so cute. And then
This is
brioche, yeah. I just cut the edges off it, cut it into bars, and then dipped it in 50% maple syrup and clarified butter and baked it.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I'm here today and last night.
Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. We put a lot of love into it, so thank you for noticing. Thank you. Pretty fun.
Not pretty good, like absolutely extremely good. Whoa.
We got to line up again. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Let's
sure.
do this.
Okay.
There's a piping bag over there, open.
I watch you all the time. It's so cool.
Oh, yeah, you're a sweetheart. Thank you. You made my day.
So amazing.
Monique's going to go.
Okay, fantastic.
So just go across it like we're trying to make it look like scrambled eggs on toast. So just go, yeah. Yeah, this is great. This is great. See, and it looks like little scrambled eggs on the toast. Egg yolk caramel. Then we're gonna go.
Too much?
No, this is great. The messier, because that makes it look like the eggs are runny.
Runny.
You know? And then bacon crumble.
Okay.
Bacon crumble all over the place. And then go chives and finish it with malted salt, and I'll plate it.
Oh, okay, let's do this.
Okay, this is you just made my whole life right now.
Oh my God.
Enjoy, guys. It's brunch in one bite.
Come on, that's amazing.
This is the best help in the whole entire world. Enjoy, enjoy.
We watch all the shows. Oh my God.
Ah, cool. That's really, really cool.
This is awesome.
I mean, I'm just lucky to be here, honestly.
You are working next year.
You know what? I'm smiling from my soul right now, you know, and my
Me
face.
too. You're okay if we take a picture?
Oh, absolutely. Heyo. Are you gonna do another round with me?
Sure.
Okay, let's do it.
You don't mind?
Oh, I'd love it.
I'm
This is
not
my
even-
this is
if
my
I'm not-
favorite thing in the world. Thank you.
You are kidding
I really
me.
appreciate
Thank
that.
You.